boys in the car, first off. But I'm just leaving. I just got my hair cut, as you can see. I feel a lot better. But you know, the other day I was thinking to myself, just like, dude, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of my inside of the car not being done. So, you know, we're gonna hustle and grind and we're gonna get this done. There ain't no more excuses, there ain't no more waiting. Now is the time to get it done. That means sound deadening removal, painting the whole interior, getting the dash completely done. I'm actually starting on that, and that's what this video is going to be about, is just covering and finishing this dash, making it look decent. I'm getting rid of the 3 gauges that are originally on top of the dash that show pretty much like my speedometer and like digital one and all that, and also my oil pressure sensor and my voltage, because I'm going to end up just getting a voltage gauge and an oil pressure gauge. I really don't want the other one. I really don't care about it because I already have my main speedometer. I film off my phone, which is the LG V30. I also still have my old phone, which is the G5. So the G5 on my phone, the screen's cracked to hell. It's tore up, but it still functions properly. So I'm gonna try to make a bracket to hang off my car so I can start getting some weird shots when I'm there busting donuts and burnouts and stuff. Get you guys some really good angles. You know, I know it gets boring looking at the angles from inside of the car, because I get bored looking at the angles from inside the car. We need more excitement on this channel. We're getting better angles. We're gonna be hitting angles off the back, you know, watching them tires burn, watching them spin. We're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna customize up some brackets and stuff to hold that phone. That way I can still move at different angles and stuff like that, but looking over the car from the back. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Future plans though, I really want to see about dropping either like an LS3 or a 2JZ. I'm kind of more on the 2JZ, but you never know, you know. So we'll decide. I want to kind of keep it JDM. 2JZs are wonderful. We'll just see at the time what's out there, what the prices look like, and what we can do. So we're always looking forward to that. When that day comes, I'm not gonna lie, guys, we're gonna blow this engine up. We're gonna blow it up. Just destroy it. Hit it so hard. Yeah, that's right. When we get an engine, we're blowing this one up. So hopefully within the next year and a half or whatnot. I know it's a while away. I'm talking about it now. I'm just letting you guys know these are my future plans. This is what I want to do. I'm going to get serious about this. Drifting is going to come. I want to be a pro AM drifter. That's my goal. So we're going to make it happen, right? So I'm here on my 30-minute lunch. In order to do this, start this process, I need to remove my dash. So that is the goal for today, is to remove the dash, and then tomorrow I'll get to work on actually fitting it and getting it on. But let me get to removing this dash, and I'll show you guys once the dash has been removed. I already kind of just took off that little thing right there. Since I've already had this thing stripped out and the dash removed, there's only a couple bolts and it comes right out. So I just got the dash out, guys, and here it is. As you can tell, it's not really much. It's pretty much hollow, it's just a piece of plastic. Without the dash, I've already done work underneath here, removed a lot of brackets and stuff. And it's kind of a mess, but I need to fix it up. But and as you can tell, there's not a whole lot in here. So now without the dash, I need to put back on my speedometer and all that, the gauge cluster, and put it aside and get clocked in. So tomorrow I'll continue filming this. So I started the dash yesterday. I finished it. It looks great except for one small little problem. don't use rivets because they don't end up staying. And I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot tomorrow, pick up a couple bolts, put it in, fix them up a little bit different, and it should be all good. You know, every project ain't gonna come out perfect. This is a live and learn kind of situation. See what works best. Sometimes you just gotta change it up because it doesn't work. That's just life for you. But let me show you right now what I'm talking about. So here is the dash piece. I like it technically. It'll look a lot better when I end up flocking the dash and getting it all done, but it's all cut off. I like it. But small problem is, see, the rivets came out. They didn't end up sticking, they end up just, it was good yesterday, and I'll show you a picture. This is what happened. So this rivet right here and this rivet right here popped out. All the rest are intact and good except for these two. So live and learn. Put some bolts instead with some washers on the backside. Hold it down. I was hoping the rivets would do it. I guess not. Oops. But live and learn. So guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. I know it's not like my other ones, but we're gonna really get a roll on this. I'm serious, I'm tired of my car, the interior not being done. We're gonna get on the roll. We're gonna remove this sound deadening and stuff, so just be looking forward to those videos coming out. We're gonna be trying to at least do 2 or 3 videos a week, so stay with me. I appreciate you guys' support, much appreciated. If you haven't hit that thumbs up, please hit that. Or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, that way you're getting notifications of when my next video is out. And see you guys later. Peace.